In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Coin step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, click connect, and you can choose any wallet here, but we're going to use MetaMask. Then make sure that you're using Ethereum, and then go to coinmarketcap.com. On the search bar, type down Sponge, and you will see this. So you will gonna need to copy the contract address. Click here, go to Uniswap, go to MetaMask, click import tokens, click custom token, paste the address here, and click add custom token. Click import tokens. Then you will see here your Sponge coin. So the next thing we're gonna do is to swap any token that we have in MetaMask into Sponge coin. So in order to do that, you can just click here and choose what token you want to swap, for example Ethereum. Then click here, paste the address here, click here, and then type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap. For example, 1 Ethereum, and then you will receive this amount of Sponge coin in your MetaMask wallet. Then once you have typed down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, click here, and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up, and you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you leave enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. Now once you have paid for the gas fee, wait for the transaction to be completed, and then go to your MetaMask wallet and check if you have received the Sponge coin in your MetaMask wallet. If you have any questions about how to buy Sponge coin, leave a comment below.